Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Salesforce Enthusiast. Uh, in this video, I am explaining on lightning flows. In lightning flow, in one of my scenario, I got an scenario where like I need to make an as you all know in ScreenFlow we can add the file upload component that I need to make mandatory that I need to know we need to give an like we should make a required we cannot make required but I need to give an validate to that if user is not added the file in that file upload and he try to say click on next. I so I got requirement I need to tell him validate it if he not upload like selected file in that file upload, so we need to make some validate it. For that this scenario I applied that helpful me that helped me. Okay, so what I did, right, after the file upload I did a get record element on the contact document link where we will get an contact document link object where the link id was the id of the record. In that link entity id is there, right? There we will get an id which will be matched with our record id. So I use that thing. After that I done a some decision based on that like that scenario work for me, so I will explain you. Like in this I use the this one like content document id, content document link where all these file uploaded ids will be stored. Based on that link entity id is there, right, that will be equal to our record id. Based on that I get all the record and I given a decision, so that helped for me. So I wanted to show that example for you all. Okay, we will jump into our scenario. Okay, in our lightning flow canva. For that we will use a screen flow. Click on new. I'll use a new create a new flow where I will use screen flow. Click on next and we will use free form. So first I will get the record of opportunity. Okay, where I am uploading the data like files. Okay, oh sorry, it's create. So I need to take get record. So I will select our object as an opportunity. Select the opportunity where I will create an variable to store the id. So my condition is opportunity id equals to variable which we stored the id. Okay, for that new resource select variable, select where opportunity ids. Okay, then I will select data type as a text and we will allow it for an input. Then done. So our get record is ready, so I will click on done. Then I will take a screen flow where I will add the file upload component. I will name it as a file upload mm, of file upload. Okay, we'll give name as file of opportunity file upload. Okay, and I will name that uh, file will be document upload. We'll give that label. Then there will be we need to store in the related list we need to store an variable like in that record related record id we need to store we are created variable, right, where we are storing the id that will be our related that where we uploading our uh, attachment. Okay, upload file. I will name it as upload file screen. Click on done. Oh, sorry, it's an API name. Click on done. Okay, our file is ready. Then I will update it to the record. Update the when we upload that file, right? I will update the opportunity. Okay. So I will use based on ID. This record will be updated where we get ID, right, which fetched from that opportunity. We get an ID at in that variable store that will be updated. Okay. Then I will click done. So our opportunity also ready. Then I will take an get record where I will get oh, sorry, once again, get record where I will take the content document link record. Okay, IDs I will take content content document link is an object. So we will select that object. Yeah, content document link. We will select this object where we will give an criteria like there will be an linked entity ID. Okay, linked entity ID is there, right? It should be equal to our ID which we store at variable. Okay, that should be match. Then only that need to be fetch the records. Then it should be fetch the record. Okay, then it should fetch the ID after matching only. We given a condition. After that, I will put an decision here where if we got check whether got an ID. Okay, then we will give decision not null. Okay, if id is we got an id means then it will be not null. So I will give condition that whenever we get an content document link, yeah, one thing we missed here, we need to select all we need to take all the records. Okay, so here I missed to tell that. So we need to select all the records. Click on done. After that, in decision, select that record collection variable where id is, if there is an id is present in that record collection variable, we will select. If it's null, is null is equal to false. If we get an id, then it is null is equal to false. Then we will give an screen component like uh, file uploaded. Okay, I will give that name for that. Fully. Okay, we will go that name. Okay, and then we will give color as a green. Okay, we'll select color as a green. Click on done. Okay, we need to give name. File uploaded screen. Okay, click on done. Then we will take uh, one more screen, that if that file they not uploaded directly trying to save the record, then it will be fire an like it will fire an error. Okay, we will give that error. Okay, file not uploaded, we will give that name. Here we will give I. We will select that username, current username who is trying to upload the file. We'll give his name. For that we need to go for at user, select for user first name. Okay, you are not uploaded the file, not selected the file to upload. File to upload. Okay, we'll give in this red. Okay, we will give color it as a red. Click on done, and we will make it bold. Okay, click done. Uploaded validate. Okay, we'll name that thing. Click on done. Now we will connect this component. From start we will get an record of that opportunity which are we are uploading. Then we will go to the screen where we are uploading the files, and uploaded file upload component is also there. Then we will update that when we added file, then we will update that file into that opportunity which we selected. Then we will get an record. Then we will after getting the document link IDs, we will get an decision like we got an idea, or we will check here if that id is if we get the ids in that file, right? Then we will pass it to the successful screen. Otherwise we will otherwise we will, if we not get any ids means, then we will pass it to the validate screen, where it will be shown message let you not selected the file. Then again it will pass to that screen, file upload screen. Okay, this is our flow. Okay, we will save this and we will test, and we will save this. Mm, we will change the name. Okay, we will save this record, save this flow. Then we will activate and we will try that. We will go into opportunity and we will try. So we'll select one of the opportunity. Okay, we will add that flows screen flow here at record level. We will select that component flow screen flow component, and we will drag into that right side of our lightning record page. 1 second, it's loading, it will take some time. Then we will drag there. Okay, we added, and we will pass that current record ID. Okay, pass that record ID and we will save. Activate it, and we will assign it for the org default. Click next, save. Now we will test. Now I will not select the, oh sorry, I have not selected that flow. I will, we will select that flow. Click on the component, flow component, and we will select our uh, opportunity file upload, and we will save. Oh sorry, we need to pass the current record ID into our variable. Yeah, it's saved. Go back. Here first I will select, no, I will not select the file. Then I will click next. Hi Kumar, the username. You not selected the file to upload. Okay, then I will click next. So here now I will select the file. I will select any one of the image. Click on next. Wait, sorry, without selecting I done next. Okay, now I will select that file, one of the file. After done, I will click on next. File uploaded successfully. Finish. Okay, we will try one more record. Okay, and now that issue because I'm not selected, after selecting I am not clicked on done, so we'll check with another opportunity. We will select this opportunity. So first I will not select any record. Hi Kumar, you not selected the file to upload. Okay, again I will click next. So now I will upload the file. Click done. Click on next. File uploaded successfully. Finish. Okay, this is how I validate that flow, like file upload I validated, that helped me in my requirement. Hope this video is helpful for you all. If you have any doubt, you can place your comment. Okay, thank you.